Hello, this is Nat from NB Network Lessons. Hope you all are doing okay. This is the continuation of lesson 11, circuit analysis. In my last lecture, what we did was that we basically wrote KCL equations and KVL equations. So this is the KCL, and these two right here are the KVL equations, Kirchhoff's voltage law. What we did was that we wrote KCL at this node, and then we wrote KVL at this loop 1, and another KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, at loop 2. And these were the three equations. So I was going to show you that how do you set up a matrix and then plug those numbers into your scientific calculator and get the answers. So as you know, this is equation minus S plus IA plus IB. What I want to do is I want to write them in a format where everything is in line. So I write IS, IA, IB, and then in the second equation we have 4IS, so I write down 4IS underneath IS. Then I have 20IA, I write down 20IA. I don't have an IB in this, so I write down 0 IB. And then I move this 200 on the other side of the equal to sign, so I get 200 right here. All right. Then what we do is that we look at the last equation. We say, is there any IS in this? No. So I write down 0 IS. Minus 20 IA right here, plus 80 IB equal to 0. So now what I can do is I can write this in form of a 3 by 3 matrix. Just take the coefficient of IS, 1, IA, 1, 1, 4, 20, 0, 0, negative 20, 80. So I have this A matrix, real nice 3 by 3 matrix, right? So now, if you recall, what we have to do is we have to solve for X, okay? So right now, this is like this. So X, in this case, is basically the unknown. So first one is I of S, according to this right here. Then we have I of A, and then we have I of B, all right? And all of this is equal to 0, 200, and 0, just like that. So this part right here is A, okay? This is X, and this is equal to B. So then what we do is that I showed you like last time, what you do is that you multiply A by its inverse times X, and then B, if you're multiplying on the left hand side of the equal to sign, you got to do the same thing on the right hand side. So B is also multiplied by the inverse. Then basically you solve this. What you're going to do is you're going to basically solve this. So this is going to become like I of S, I of S, I of A, I of B, okay, equal to this right here, equal to inverse of this, the same matrix, 1, 1, 1, 4, 20, 0, all right, and then we got 0, negative 20, 80. You take inverse of this, you have to use your calculator, multiplied by 0, 0, 200, 0. If you do that, you will find out what the current is. I already calculated it, and IS of S is equal to 25 amperes. IS of A is equal to 20 ampere, and IS of B is equal to 5 ampere. Okay, so check this out. Plug these numbers in your calculator, and this is the answer. And just to add on, if I asked you, can you tell me what's the voltage drop over here? Let's say this is a voltage drop V80. Okay, can you tell me what that is? Of course we can. Apply Ohm's law, which is V is equal to V of 80 is equal to I sub B times 80. I already know what I sub B is. So V sub 80 is equal to 5 times 80. So this is going to be 5 here, 400 volts. So that was a bonus question. Hope you like the contents of this. If you do like it, go ahead and give me a like, and please share as much as you can. And send me a message if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.